Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You've logged into Canva and opened your design. Now act. Select the exact element you want clickable, a word, button, or image, because links attach to selected items. Once selected, locate the link icon in the top toolbar or press Ctrl+K, CMD+K on Mac. This is the first actionable step, invoking Canva's link dialog. Do this immediately so you can paste your destination URL next. Making the selection first ensures the link will bind to the right object and not the wrong. Once the link dialog is open, paste the full URL including https:// so Canva recognizes it properly. You should type descriptive anchor text for accessibility when linking text. This helps screen readers and clarity. After pressing enter to apply, make sure the link works in Canva's preview mode. If you're linking images or shapes, consider adding a small visible label. That tells viewers it's clickable. Make adjustments now so the link points to the correct page and reads clearly for users who rely on descriptions. To finalize, export or share in a format that preserves hyperlinks. Use PDF standard or PDF print or share a Canva view link. After downloading, open the file and click the link to confirm it opens in a new tab or window as expected. If the link doesn't work, reopen your design, reapply the full URL, and re-export. Also check browser pop-up or PDF viewer settings that might block external links. This single troubleshooting step usually fixes the most common link issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.